Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Focus Friday edition. This week I wanted to just go over a quick tip on repairing parts. I ran into a customer recently that wanted to know about a repair function in Netfabb. I'm going to just import a part here real quick, a bad STL file. Now, most commonly, you're going to bring in that part and you can apply a repair script. So when it loads the parts, it'll do a fix on it. We have extended repair here. I'm going to turn it off just to show you that the part comes in bad and that we can just use a repair script to fix it. If you see this exclamation point when you open up a part, you know that the quality is bad and you're going to need to fix it. But let's go and bring this part in here, and we see we have the exclamation point. That means you're going to have to do a repair here. And we see visually that we have a flipped triangle. The normal's in the wrong direction. So let's go to manual repair, and you can do that through the repair part ribbon up top. And this is where you can go in and you could manually just, select a triangle here. You see we have a bunch of degenerate triangles here, some stitching that needs to be done. If I click away, you see that the normals flip the wrong way. The red's supposed to be on the other side of this triangle, the inner part of the part. And if we go to repair script here, let's move this out a little bit, we can see that under the actions, if we go to status, we can hit an update and we see we have 28 shells, of course. Too many shells for this part. We only need one shell. If it had moving parts, we would have more than one shell. But a bunch of inverted triangles. Need some stitching to be done. So to go in there and manually repair it, you can click there and select shells and delete it, right? You can do things like that. We're not going to do that, of course, but under the repair script here, you can do sort of a semi-automatic script here where you can say, hey, fix the holes, do some stitching. We see a little bit of repair there. We can hit the flip triangles. It's starting to improve the part. We have some degenerate triangles there that we can remove degenerate faces. We can bump up this to 0.003 millimeter here, cleans it up. We could do it that way and apply the repair. Go back to status as you do your changes to the part. You still see we have 28 shells here. We could go to the shells tab and it'll select all the shells here. We see we have an extra shell here, extra few. So let me go back here. And then we can do a inverse of what's selected here. On the triangles, we'll toggle it. It toggles what's selected and what's not selected. And then what's highlighted in green, we can just say remove those triangles. And then I can go back, or my status, and we can go ahead and see that we have improved it. We manually fixed it, right? And then you apply the repair. But let's go back and just close this out here. And just fix this part manually when we bring it in here. So I'm going to double click that and get rid of it and just show you if you add the part here and apply the repair script you have here on the right side, where you can pick your repair script. I made a repair script. You can duplicate these and make your own. I just use the extended repair. I just put a little extra option in there for particular parts with the degenerate triangles. But like I said, you just bring it in, you select the part, and it does the repair automatically when you bring in parts. So once again, when you add the part, and the dialog that pops up when you import the parts, select the apply repair script, select the script, and then add your parts. Thanks again for being on this week's Focus Friday tip.